Introspection often unfolds in quiet moments, where the world seems to slow and thoughts turn inward. Within these pauses, a rich emotional landscape emerges, marked by deep contemplation and gentle self-examination. The mind navigates through layers of memory and feeling, encountering both clarity and uncertainty. Subtle shifts in mood and expression reveal the complexity of inner struggles as confusion and self-doubt quietly surface. Through evocative imagery, these internal battles are made visible, capturing the delicate tension that shapes our most private reflections. In this space, vulnerability and resilience coexist, painting a nuanced portrait of the human psyche. Our minds can sometimes feel trapped in endless loops, with thoughts circling back on themselves and creating a sense of being stuck. These repetitive patterns can intensify feelings of stress and isolation, making it difficult to break free. Yet even in the midst of this mental turbulence, small moments of grounding can emerge. Through self-expression and mindful awareness, the cycle begins to shift. Gradually, the weight of repetition gives way to glimpses of hope as new perspectives and possibilities start to unfold. The journey from isolation to connection is rarely linear, but each step forward brings a renewed sense of possibility and resilience. As the storm of emotion subsides, a gentle sense of recovery begins to unfold. Surrounded by the quiet beauty of nature, moments of mindfulness offer a soothing balm to the spirit. A simple act of breathing deeply, feeling the earth beneath one's feet, and noticing the subtle rhythms of the world brings a renewed sense of calm. Connections with the natural world and with oneself become sources of strength and comfort. In this peaceful space, hope quietly emerges, illuminating the path forward. The journey through struggle gives way to tranquility, reminding us of the resilience and serenity that can be found within.